Next is the numerical based on the osmotic pressure. As we know that the osmotic pressure is represented by pi, and osmotic pressure pi having two main formula, that is pi is equal to weight of solute divided by molecular mass of the solute multiply by r, that is gas constant, into T divided by the volume of the solution. And second formula is pi is equal to, that is osmotic pressure, is equal to C, that is concentration of the solution, R gas constant, and T is the temperature in Kelvin. We will use the two value of pi, and that is R. First one is R is equal to 0.0821 liter atmosphere per Kelvin per mole, and the another value is R is equal to 0.0831 liter. In case of atmosphere, we will use the unit bar for the pressure per Kelvin per mole. And we will study all the case of the non-electrolyte. So the first numerical is 200 centimeter cube. This is the volume. 1 centimeter cube is equal to 1 ml. So I can say the 200 ml of an aqueous solution. Aqueous solution means the solution is prepared in water of a protein. Protein is solute containing 1.26 gram of the protein. Weight of the protein is 1.26 gram, and the osmotic pressure of the solution is 2.57 into 10 raised to the power minus 3 bar if the temperature is 300 Kelvin. Calculate the molar mass of the protein. So here the given value is volume, that is 200 ml. If we change this in liter, this will become 200 divided by 1000, that is 0.2 liter. Next is given, that is the weight of the protein. Protein means weight of the solute. In this case, this will become 1.26 gram. It is also given. And next is the temperature. Temperature of the solution is 300 Kelvin, and pi, osmotic pressure, is given is equal to 2.57 into 10 raised to the power minus 3 bar. So we know that pi and molecular mass that we have to determine. We know that pi is equal to weight of solute divided by molecular mass of solute into R into T divided by the volume of the solution. So we have to determine the molecular mass. So molecular mass will be replaced by this pi. Molecular mass will be equal to weight of solute divided by the pi into R into T divided by V. Molecular mass will be weight of the solute, that is given 1.26 gram, pi, that is 2.57 into 10 raised to the power minus 3 into R is 0.08, here it is given in bar, 831 bar per Kelvin per mole, into temperature is 300 Kelvin, and the volume of the solution is 0.2 liter. When we solve, the molecular mass of the polymer will be 6112.4 gram per mole. In the next questions, we have to calculate the osmotic pressure in Pascal exerted by a solution prepared by dissolving 1 gram of polymer. So in this case, weight of polymer is 1 gram, and molecular mass of the polymer is also given 185,000, and volume of the solution is 450 ml. So we can change this into liter, that is 450 by 1000. This will become 0.45 liter, and temperature is 37 degrees Celsius. If we add 273, this temperature will become 310 Kelvin. R value will be 0.0821 liter atmosphere per Kelvin per mole. So osmotic pressure pi, that is we have to determine. We know that pi is equal to weight of solute, molecular mass of solute, solute in this case is polymer, into R into T divided by the volume of the solution. So pi is equal to weight of the solute is given 1 gram, molecular mass of the polymer is given, that is 185,000, into R value is 0.0821 into temperature is 310 Kelvin divided by the volume of the solution is given 0.45 liter. On solving this equation, the pi will be 3.0 into 10 raised to the power 3 bar. We can change this bar into Pascal further. Next is the question number 3. What should be the concentration that we have to determine C. C is the concentration of a solution containing known electrolyte at 273 to 270 degrees Celsius. So we have to determine the concentration C, and temperature is given 270 degrees Celsius. If we add 273, this will become 300 Kelvin. So the temperature of the solution is 300 Kelvin. And osmotic pressure of the solution, that is pi, is given 2 into 10 raised to the power minus 3 atmosphere. So we know that pi is equal to CRT. Here we have to determine the concentration. So pi divided by R into T, that will become equal to C. So pi is given, that is 2 into 10 raised to the power minus 3. The universal gas constant R will be in this case, because it is given in the atmosphere, 0.0821 liter atmosphere per Kelvin per mole. So R value is 0.0821 and the temperature is 300 Kelvin. On solving this equation, we will get the concentration will be 8.1 into 10 raised to the power minus 6 moles per liter. Next is the important question number 4. A solution obtained by mixing 10 ml of 20% solution of urea if the molecular mass of urea is 60 gram. Means we are having the first solution. The volume of this solution is 100 ml and this solution is of urea and the molecular mass of urea is 60. This is our solution number 1. This solution is 20%. 20% means 20 gram of this solution is present in the 100 ml. And the another solution is 10 ml solution. The total volume of the solution is 10 ml. 10 ml of 1.65% of cane sugar. This solution is of cane sugar. And we know that the molecular mass of the cane sugar is 342 gram per mole. And the solution is 1.65%. It means 1.65 gram of this cane sugar is present in this solution. So in the first case, we have to determine the osmotic pressure of urea solution. This is the urea solution. So we have to determine the osmotic pressure of this urea solution. And in the second case, osmotic pressure of the cane sugar solution. So we have to determine the pi for the cane sugar solution also. In the second case, the total osmotic pressure of the solution. When we mix these two solutions, a third solution will form. In this third solution, the total volume of the solution will become 100 ml of this urea solution plus 10 ml of this cane sugar solution. So total volume of this resulting solution is 110 ml. So we know that pi is equal to CRT. The temperature of the solution is given, that is 300 Kelvin. For first, second as well as this third solution, the temperature is 300 Kelvin. So we can determine this concentration. We can determine C value for this urea solution. C is equal to weight of urea 20 given in the solution. Molecular mass is 60 into 1000 divided by the volume of solution is 100. So the value of C for this solution will be 3.33 molar. So we can determine this solution containing 3.3 mole of urea. Means is this solution we are having 3.3 mole of the urea. The solution third, because it is containing 20 gram of the urea and 20 gram of urea is equal to 3.3 mole. So we can determine the pi value. Pi is equal to CRT. This pi is for urea. The C is determined now 3.33 into R value is 0.0821 and temperature is 300 Kelvin. The osmotic pressure of urea, on solving this equation, we will get 82.01 atmosphere. Similarly, in the second solution, we have to determine the second one, that is osmotic pressure of the cane sugar, that is pi is equal to CRT. We can determine the C. C can be determined, that is weight of cane sugar 1.65, volume of solution 10 into 1000. We will get the concentration of this solution, that is 0.48 molar. It means this solution, which is containing 1.65 gram of cane sugar, containing 0.48 mole of this cane sugar in 10 ml. So when we'll mix this solution to form the third solution, this solution will contain 0.48 mole of the cane sugar and 3.3 mole of the urea. So we can determine the value of pi. Pi is equal to concentration is 0.48, R value is 0.0821 into temperature is 300 Kelvin. On solving this equation we will get pi for cane sugar, pi for osmotic pressure of cane sugar will be 11.8 atmosphere. Now we have to determine the number third. The osmotic pressure of this solution means the total osmotic pressure of the solution. If we determine the total osmotic pressure of the solution, that pi total, that will become equal to C total, that is total concentration of urea and total concentration of the cane sugar into R into T. The C total will become total concentration will become the concentration of urea plus the concentration of cane sugar, and we know that the concentration of urea is 3.33 molar and the concentration of urea solution is 0.48 molar. The total concentration of this solution is 3.81 molar. So C total is 3.81 molar. So we can put the value of C total here. So the pi total pressure of this third resulting solution will become equal to C total is 3.81 molar into R is 0.0821 into temperature is 300. On solving this we will get the total osmotic pressure of the solution is 34. The total concentration will become 3.81 divided by, this is the number of moles, total number of moles of urea and cane sugar, and total volume is of the solution is 110 ml into 1000. This total concentration of the solution will become, that is 34.63 molar, and we can put the value of total concentration, that is 34.63 molar into 0.0821 into 300. The total osmotic pressure of the solution will be 853.09 atmosphere.